First things first, thank you, Steve Shives, for answering my question. Even though you said biology, I still love you. Before I talk about amino acids, I want to promote a new channel, The Nick Show. Nick is a good friend of mine, and he has interesting perspectives about atheism, government, etc. His deconversion, rather than occurring over time, happened in the span of a few seconds during a conversation, and it is interesting to hear his unique perspective. Click here to go to that video or follow the link in the description. Let's see if we can get his channel going. We've all heard about amino acids, but what exactly are they? Simply put, they are molecules that contain an amino group and a carboxylic acid group. Typically, when talking about amino acids, the ones necessary for life, we're talking about alpha amino acids, where the amino group is on the carbon next to the carboxylic acid group. They are also L amino acids, which refers to how the atoms are arranged in the molecule. They are mirror images of D amino acids, which only show up in a few bacterial cell walls. Going into how we determine it is a whole video in itself, but just remember that life uses the L amino acids. Proteins are made of long chains of about 20 different amino acids. Some of them your body can make, but others have to be taken in as part of the diet. These are the essential amino acids. Here's the fascinating part. Carboxylic acid groups, you may know, are acidic. Amino groups are basic. So part of the molecule is an acid and part is a base. And we know acids and bases react. So this is not really what amino acids look like. Near neutral pH, the amino group takes the hydrogen from the carboxylic acid group, and it looks like this. I apologize to any Germans who may be watching this video for messing up this pronunciation, but it's called a zwitterion. This does change with pH, however. In very low pH values, the carboxylic acid group will accept a hydrogen as well, and the amino acid looks like this. In high pH values, the amino group will be neutral and the carboxylic acid group negative. The exact pH values depend on each amino acid, but you get the idea. So how do amino acids bond together? In the presence of a catalyst, such as RNA, the carboxylic acid group of one amino acid binds to the amino group of another, losing a water molecule and creating what is known as a peptide bond. This group created is known as an amide group. Do that a few hundred to a few thousand more times and you have a nice protein, assuming you get the order right.